Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about why choose Ideals Virtual Data Room. So guys, let's start about Ideals Virtual Data Room. Ideals Virtual Data Room is a fantastic data room option. With all the functionality you could expect from an industry leading virtual data room provider. The emphasis is on facilitating due diligence in any industry, including M&A. Real estate, biotech, and technologies. Ideals Solution is a London-based virtual data room software company that offers virtual data room solution for various sectors, including legal, investment, and life sciences. It specializes in M&A deals, corporate finance, bankruptcy, and restructuring, due diligence, board communication, capital raising, IPO, and real estate management. The company was founded in 2008. Ideals Virtual Data Room has become the leading provider on the famous tech review platforms G2 and Captria. Since the developer is constantly working to innovate the solution, it gets very good feedback across companies. Check out our full Ideals Virtual Data Room overview to see what you can get from the solution to improve your team's performance. Document security feature in Ideals Virtual Data Room. Document security is one of the Ideals Virtual Data Room's strongest points. With biometric entry authentication system, only authorized personnel can access the servers where the sensitive data is stored. You also get to control what level of permission each individual or company has for every document. In addition, you can protect your documents with dynamic watermarks. Other notable security features include remote shared French view, secure spreadsheet view, and reduction. The company's data centers are highly secured with extensive surveillance security personal. What's more, Ideal's virtual data room compliant with following security standards: ISO IEC 27001 certified data center. SOC2 GDPR SIPAA. Not to mention the company's virtual data room security identity is frequently audited by external auditors. User management feature in Ideal's virtual data room. Ideals makes it possible to manage user at different levels. No matter how many people are involved in the project. Set signed security option, data room access level and access to Q&A section for each individual or group. Speaking in more detail about user groups, admins have 4 predefined roles by which they can divide participant: individual user, collaboration user, restricted administrator and full administrator. Thus, each listed group has specific permission to access data and functions. Last but not least, admins can manage virtual data rooms and user permissions at any time, even on a mobile device on the go. Collaboration and document management feature in Ideal's virtual data room. Ideal's virtual data room software integrates a handful of collaboration and document management features